County, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky: Oldham and Trimble. Strong thunderstorms with dangerous lightning, heavy rain, and half-inch hail. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Madison to Prospect and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, heavy rain with rainfall rates of around 1 inch per hour, reducing visibilities to less than 1 mile, and half-inch hail are expected with these storms. These storms will also impact LaGrange, Bedford, Madison, Moulton and North Madison, Wise's Landing and Mount Pleasant, Park Lake and Oldham, Russell Corner and Buckner. These storms will affect Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 13 and 22. If you are in the path of these storms, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Stay tuned to Know All Hazards Radio, weather.gov/Louisville on the internet, or local media for later updates and possible warnings.